As per the previous market outlook, EURUSD managed to show a bearish correction, but the counter-impulsive pressure might see some pressure from a lot of economic releases this week. The latest downside pressure in the EURUSD price came as strong bearish pressure, creating a buy-side liquidity sweep. The currency price is trading just above the 38.2% FIBO retracement level from the 1.083 low to the 1.127 high. In the weekly price, the price holds the buying pressure above the 200-period simple moving average. Moreover, the 20-period SMA maintains the upward slope above the 100 SMA. It is a sign that buyers have not done it yet. However, the relative strength index rebounded from the 70 overbought level, which increases the possibility of more downside correction. The daily price trades far above moving averages, suggesting that a downside correction is pending as a mean reversion. Moreover, other technical indicators have turned flat after reaching extreme conditions. For this week, the 1.100 level would be the crucial area to look at. A strong downside pressure with a bearish daily candle below this level could be an alarming sign for bulls. In that case, the downside pressure may extend toward the 1.092 and 1.089 areas. On the bullish side, a sudden recovery and a consolidation above the 1.120 level could open rooms for testing the 1.125 and 1.140 levels.